AMPX stock analysis and AMPX stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Amprius Technologies, bullish chart right now, also going up, 18%, which is phenomenal. Before I dig in this deeper, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses, mentors, and I've documented everything. Ultimately began back in November. Then the price plummeted down again, then went up again, and I was just, again, looking to take things up. Got beautiful demand mitigations, and the price almost reached a high, which is down this target. The way that I'm observing this chart is still from this bullish lens, and unless the price pulls down inside my demand area like this, it gives me a double break, there's just no way that I'll buy. Really, so yeah, I'll pull like this thing here, confirmation, and in the meantime, all I'm doing is I'm just waiting. So that's how AMPX looks like. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.